Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the upgrade with the error code 0xd0000034 when attempting to upgrade to the latest versions of Windows 10 or Windows 11. So this error is commonly caused by corrupted system files, packet loss during update, downloading, or upload installations. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to run the Windows Update Troubleshooters. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu. So here at search for apps and then type this troubleshoot settings and then click this open. And then here at troubleshoots, under here at options, and then you need to select other troubleshooters. And then here at other troubleshooters, under here at most frequent, and then you need to select Windows Update and on right side, and then you need to tap this run and wait to complete the detecting problems, initializing, and diagnostic process. And then troubleshooting has completed. So you can see here that problems found check for Windows update issues. So what we're going to do here is to follow the instruction here to fix the issues. Alright, so after here and then close, and the other solutions we will do is to repair the corrupted files. So all you have to do is to open up again on a search menu. So here at search for apps and then type a CMD, or this is the command prompt, and then you need to right click and tap this run as administrator. If you receive user account control and then tap yes. And once you open up this administrator command prompt, and next step, and then we need to enter this command keyword DISM /online /cleanup -image /RestoreHealth, and use keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C to copy this command. And then next we need to paste in here. So use this keyboard shortcut Ctrl+B to paste and press enter. And deployment, image servicing, and management tool. So here we need to wait to complete the verifications into 100%. And the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword that we need to enter, so just type this command keyword as fc /scannow. So in all small letter, and then /scannow, that is one word, and press enter. And beginning system scan, this process will take some time. Beginning verification space of system scan. So here we need to wait again to complete the verifications into 100% in a couple of minutes. And finally, verifications 100% complete. So once in here are completed, and then we need to close the CMD, and here at the start menu, then we need to restart again. Alright, so click restart. Alright, so that's it guys on how to fix with the error code 0xd0000034 during Windows 10 or Windows 11 upgrade. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.